Hello, in front of me I have Logitech G502 X Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent the desk vibrations from waking the PC. Okay, it is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the device manager on our computer. Now, we need to click on mice and other pointing devices, and we have HID complaint mouse. In my case, I have 3, so we'll do it for... I'll repeat it, simply I'll do it twice. And now, double tap, click on power management, and in here we have the feature, allow this device to wake the computer. We just need to simply unselect it and click on OK. We can also do it with the second HID complaint mouse. Click on power management, unselect it, and click on OK. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.